What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel Callbacks, and in today's video I'm actually going to talk about JavaScript error functions. So what is JavaScript error functions? JavaScript error functions are basically anonymous functions which you can use to write your function in JavaScript without writing it in the usual way you do write in JavaScript. So let's get to the video so you can see the syntax. So I'm going to create a variable for let func equals going to say, and JavaScript error functions usually begin with a parenthesis, so parentheses with an equal sign, then the greater than sign in front of equals will give us an error. I can say console log welcome to the channel. Then we want to call this function. You're going to call it the normal way you call a JavaScript function. You're going to say func the parentheses, then I'm going to build this. That's what it gives us. So it says welcome to the channel, finish in 2.6 seconds. So this is basically JavaScript error functions. When I said it's anonymous, what I mean by that is anonymous functions are basically functions with no names. So they're unnamed functions. You can't really reference them in your code or call them unless you assign them to a variable. Like for instance, I assign this anonymous error function to the variable func. So this is basically JavaScript error functions. The usual way of doing this will be let func equals, which is the function. Then when you want to make this function anonymous, you don't have to name it, so you're going to leave this name part blank. If I want to make this function not anonymous, I can say I can call this John. Then this is not an anonymous function, it's a name function, so you can reference this in your code. So anonymous function, you don't have a name, so it's just plain old blank function, so no name. Then inside the bracket you can put, let's say, return welcome to the channel. I call this function looks like I'm gonna have to console to log this out. You can see I got welcome to the channel. So why actually console log this out? Because I use the return here, the return keyword. So after actually console log the function, then it's going to return this string saying welcome to the channel. So this is basically an anonymous function, but with the usual way of writing function, which you use the function keyword right here. But with JavaScript ES6, from JavaScript ES6, it actually introduced the error function, so it's a kind of a new feature of writing JavaScript functions. It makes it less easier. So another way you can write a function, another trick I actually write a function is you can pass in a variable in here. You can set e equals, I can take out this parenthesis, I think so. Then I can say e. So when I call the function, I can say welcome to the channel. I do this one more time. Should I get welcome to the channel? So the parenthesis is not actually a must, but because of best practices, you have to put that parenthesis in front of the function. So you can just put an e. Then you can also do when you have multiple variables going to this function, you're going to use a curly braces. So I can put curly braces and I can say variable h equals 1, variable b equals 2, variable c equals h plus b. Then this out, log out C. So I'm gonna call this function down here again, func. Then I'm not gonna put any e inside here because it's not taking any parameter. I'm gonna call this func and build this. You see, we get the output of 3, so which is 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this is actually how you use the JavaScript arrow function. So it's just a very simple way of writing JavaScript functions. I hope with this short video, guys, you actually get a clear understanding of JavaScript arrow functions. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification button to get updated or get notified when I drop down new videos like this. So guys, without further ado, I'm signing out.